friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roopam. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button below so you do not miss any of my videos. So टाइटल से आपको पता चल ही गया होगा, आज हम ट्राई करने वाले हैं कुछ टॉप्स which I bought from Flipkart. It was in very affordable price. So as you know कि Shein was one of the option to buy affordable and stylish tops and clothes. However, क्योंकि वो बैन हो चुकी है, so I'm looking to all other websites where we can get affordable tops and which is also stylish and आजकल के fashion के according it is. So the first top which I have bought is this navy blue color, and the hand part is in a mesh material, you can see, and this shoulder thing we have it in this style, which is actually very much in fashion nowadays, this kind of hand and the shoulder part. This was in 500, the MRP was 500, and the cloth material is pretty good. It's pretty thick, it's not see-through definitely, you can see, and it goes all the way to your neck. So it's pretty good if you want to wear this in your office or something. It's good for that as well. So I have added the picture. You can see how it is looking on me, and if you want to buy this, you can definitely go on Flipkart and buy. This was only for 500, so it's pretty affordable. And for multi-purpose also, because it is stylish and as well as it is very good for office looks and everything. That's all for this. So the next top which I have bought is this one, this white top, and the hands are like this. It goes like this. It is very cute, it's white color, so it goes on any kind of your blue jeans or black jeans as well, or if you want to wear it with skirt or shorts, it will definitely look cute with that as well. It is a white color top, so what I'll suggest is that you can actually wear white or a beige color of bra inside, because of this white color it may be little bit of see-through if you wear any other color of bra. So yeah, it is cute. Just one thing I would like to say is that I have bought this in extra small, the size extra small, and extra small actually fits me perfectly fine. However, from Flipkart there is a problem with the size, I guess. So if you are small, so I would suggest you to size go for one size up, because extra small, like, it does fit me fine, there is no problem. It is just that if it was small, one size up, it would be more comfortable for me. This was for 450, something like that. I have added the price in the screen, so you can refer to that. I've also added a picture on the screen so that you can see how does it look on me, and you can get one for yourself definitely. The next one which I have bought is, the next top which I have bought is this black top, and I like it a lot. It has this mesh kind of thing going on all over in the top as well as in the down. It is pretty girly kind of thing, Barbie doll type of thing, and I like it a lot. The only problem is this, that I bought this in extra small, as I told you. Extra small actually fits me perfectly fine, there is no problem with the size. But from Flipkart, I cannot try this as well because it is not fitting me, so I cannot try this. However, what I'll do is I'll put the picture of the model so you can see how it is looking on her. It was around 500 as well, so the price is affordable, and it is actually very cute. I like this, so I have to actually go ahead and replace this, the size, because of the size, but it is good, I like it. Black color definitely suits me as well, so it definitely I want to get and keep this one. I'll just go ahead and get it replaced. So the next top which I have bought is this yellow color top. There is this thread work in the front. So actually, the color of this top is a little bit different than what I have seen in the picture. I have thought this would be in, light yellow color or creamish yellow color, but it is actually pretty dark in color, like, but it is okay. I have tried this and it is looking good on me. It is just that it is not what I was expecting, the color. The size and everything is fine with this, and it also fits me, and it does look okay on me, so I am not very mad that the color is different. But definitely if I was expecting a baby yellow color, so I would expect that to come. This was also around 400 the price, so the price is very affordable, and it goes like this. I've added the picture in the screen so you can see how it looks on me. This was extra small size, I've just told you. Yeah, extra small. Sorry, this is not extra small. This is small in the size. I've just checked. It is small and it fits me perfectly fine. So I guess if you're buying things from Flipkart for clothing and everything, you can go for size up and it will fit perfectly fine. Okay, the next one which I have bought is this top, olive green color, and it has this kind of thread which you can tie here. See the styling of this top. You have this elasticity, so definitely there wouldn't be a problem of fit and everything. I guess you have seen my pictures in Instagram. I've already wore this once and I have posted the picture in Instagram, so if you want to see, you can go and check there. I have also added it picture in the screen so you can check how it is looking on me. This was in size extra small again. Yeah, this is also in extra small and it fits me fine. But as I suggested you can size up, because it does fit me fine, but it would be more comfortable if we size up. I like the color. I did not have anything in olive green in my collection in my wardrobe, so yeah, I do like it, and it is very cute. It goes perfectly fine with the jeans or shorts. This was in 480, I guess. I've added the price as well in the screen. You can check. Yeah, if you like, and olive green is your color, you can definitely. I think there was a different color as well. So 2 or 3 different color as well in the same styling. So if you want, you can check. Whatever color you like, you can get one for yourself. And the last top which I have bought is this red color. So this top has been a little bit of disappointment to me. The reason is the cloth material is not what I was expecting, and also the design is not what I was expecting. It is this bell bottom sleeves. You can see both the side, it is bell sleeves. However, the cloth material, this is not the cloth material which I was expecting, though the cloth material was not actually mentioned, what is the cloth material in the website, but still I was not expecting. I do not like this cloth material. The color is fine, but I am a little bit disappointed with this top. I may not keep this because this is not my style. Like, the cloth material is not my style kind of. I like the bell bottom sleeves, but I do not like this material, so I'll not keep it. However, I have added the picture in the screen how it is looking on me. In case you like it, you can definitely go ahead and get one. It was for 600, I guess, and I think it is not worth the price at all. But in case you like it, definitely you can get one for yourself. Okay guys, that is all for today's video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe and hit the share button. Thank you. Bye.